Hey everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. Thought I'd give everyone a view of another purchase. Now this one is kind of fun because I got it on clearance at Fry's. The manager was a bit on the delusional side, but that aside, picked it up at a great price because it was an open box. I guess somebody had opened it to view the contents. It looks like everything was there though. So I picked it up for $18 plus tax. So it is a Zalman CPU cooler. Now a lot of people won't remember the name Zalman, but Zalman actually has been around for quite a while. Back before the 775 days for Intel. It's been at least, what, a decade and a half, if not longer. They do some cases and CPU coolers and things like that, but they're not very popular anymore. This particular one is the CNPS5X Performa from Zalman. It is an air cooler for CPUs, and so just give you all a view inside. So it's got the mounting gear here, and then the cooler itself. Looks like it's only a 90mm fan, not a full 120, but I could be wrong. But it is just a CPU cooler. It looks like 3 heat pipes, so not as good as some of the others, but usually they'll hold up just as good for the older stuff. I've got a CPU that I'm going to try and see if it'll fit onto, but overall it's a nice little package. And for $18 I can throw it onto an older one if I need to, but you'll notice that it does have a solid black fan, 3 heat pipes, and again, don't forget to remove the tape on the bottom when you go to install it. It's got a kind of a weird design to the actual fin array as opposed to just a block like most of the others. It's more of a pyramid shaped, and then it has, so it's a pretty nice little fan, and I think for the price of 18 bucks it's actually a pretty good deal, even if it does only have one set of mounting brackets when it should have more. But anyway, that is today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed the view of today's item. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment down below. As we always say, if you enjoyed the content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to keep up to date, and leave us a comment if you have any questions about myself or the content. So have a great day everyone. Bye for now.